Good morning mga idol. Welcome back sa channel. So mag-update lang tayo. This is off stream obviously. Um, in terms of abilities, wini-work natin si Cutting Strike and Fire Spirit para both of them maging 100 na. Yan. 96 ito. Medyo makunat to. Ipa-level. And yung ability na ginagamit, yung class na ginagamit ko ngayon ay Shadow Blade. Kasi added kunat lang. Ito kasi si Hunting Strategy, meron siyang defense power. Pero kaya naman sa iba. And after that, after ng daily mission, I'm gonna go back to Apothecary na class. So update na tayo sa income. Pakita ko yung next market. Yan. So as you can see, 148 na ulit yung pera natin. And that is because, so again ito, purchase. Bumili tayo ng worth 84 and 63 para sa Perfect Sniper. So 280 kasi yun eh. 280 minus 83.98, and then bumili pa ako ng passive minus 63. Yan, so di ko alam bakit ganyan yung natira. Anyway, sa sales naman, ito nabenta na finally yung yung Aisha gloves, pero hindi pa natin siya i-count kasi hindi pa pumasok. Meron pa siyang clearing time na 70 hours. Wala. Ito mga claimables. So i-claim natin para live na ma-update. You may ask, bakit ko to ginagawa? Well, marami kasing mga kaibigan ko or nagkasubaybay sa channel na ito yung sinusubaybayan nila, yung paano ako nag-earn. So ito naman, ito temporal Dark Ore Box na 1,000 na ipon to, pero matagal tong maipon eh. Ito of course by chamba lang pag naka-loot ka sa Kransha. And the Aisha High Boots as well. Ito old SNS ko, binenta ko for 7, and hindi pa siya may include sa income natin kasi siya, may clearing time na naman ito. Settlement period of 38 hours. So yung pinakita ko na claim kanina, ito yun. Ito pala, sorry. And ito, na-loot ko kanina. Graydon Bo. Ito siya. Na-loot ko kanina. Kanina or kagabi? Yan. 245. Heuristics acquired Graydon Bo from the Ruins of War. So, na-loot natin siya. And nabenta agad. In-appraise ko, I was hoping for attack speed. Pero AQ, crit, and damage PVP. So, binenta ko na agad ng for 400 pesos ba yan? Or 300 pesos. Basta mabenta agad. Kasi wala nang presyo yung mga ganitong bow eh. Yung may presyo dyan is yung merong attack speed. Unless i-over up ko siya. So, ito yung current na natin. Ito yung current balance. Pero, we are expecting, sige nga, i-compute natin. It's like counting the eggs or the chicks even if it's not yet hatched. So 145.12 plus 5.77 plus 2.91 plus 7.24. Yan, so 170. Malapit-lapit na tayo sa 200. I want to maintain. Nga pala. Eto, so may ibibenta na naman ako. Naka-farm na tayo ng 1 million Vestige of Fall. So magiging 1 point something na ano siya, USDT, 'di ba? Ibebenta ko 'yan. Of course. Isa 'yan sa ating solid na, wait, layo tayo kasi may kagild ako na nandiyan. Source of income. Again, let's go back. So, yun na muna for now ang update, and then I wanna give a huge shout out. May nakita ko kanina. Ito si Boss Mist Haven. Shout out sa iyo, boss, and thanks for dropping by. Nagkita kami dun sa Fallen Wasteland while I was farming Vestige. So I'd like to take this opportunity to respond to one of the comments dito sa video ko. Lapit na ma-endgame. So I don't know if yung ibig niya sabihin is endgame na during the late stages of the game or endgame na mag-e-end na yung laro. Well, if you're pertaining to the first premise, malayo pa. Kasi I'm still level 83, 'di ba? Hindi pa to end game. Hindi ko pa nga na-reach yung level cap, which is 100, tama ba? And if you're pertaining to the second premise na mag-e-end na yung laro, for me, yung response ko dyan ay hindi pa. Malayo pa tayo. The fact that I'm still earning, kung ito mismo yung resibo ko that the game is not dead or about to end, because money is still coming in. And I don't think kaya ko tong i-fake yung nakikita nyo. Like, these are Vestige of Fall boxes that I farm every day. Ito, item siya na binay and sinel ko. Ito, loot items. So, the game is not dead. Sino ang for me, bakit ako mag-stop maglaro ng game na nagbibigay sa akin ng $1 or $2 every 2 days na wala, simply by looking at my character farming, and then kapag tapos na yung 500,000, AFK na ako. That's why I like going live, kasi hindi ako naboboard, may kausap, and marami akong natututunan. And I wanna give a huge shout out to Boss Adip for lending me his bow and also putting substantial information sa mga viewers ko, kasi siya mismo and all the other, hindi ko ma-mention yung iba na nag-input talaga dun. It was a healthy live stream kasi there's a lot of exchange of knowledge in terms of the game. Kasi hindi ko kayang ibigay yung hindi ko alam, 'di ba? And good thing nandun sila sa live stream ko. Going back, hindi ako naboboard na nagfa-farm, and after kong mapuno yung 500k per day, kaya ko siyang ibenta for, pinaka recent ko na benta ng Vestige is 1.33. Yung last time I checked, 50 or 60. Sabihin natin 60 times 1.33. Yan. Safe to say that I earn 78 pesos every 2 days just by looking at my character. I-multiply mo yan by 15, I earn 1,100 every month. Diba? Excluding pa yan sa loot such as this Grey Dawn bow right here, this Aisha glove right here. Although 2.91 yan kasi nakuha niya yung meron siyang DRD and defense power 21. So again, I hope na yung ibig mo lang sabihin na lapit na ma-end game, you're talking about lapit na akong mag level 100, ganon. Kasi if you're talking about the end of the game, to me, hindi pa. Kita mo naman, boss, may pumapasok na pera, diba? I'm not saying that I'm hungry for money or anything. Of course, who doesn't need money, diba? Pero may sarili kasi, may trabaho kasi ako eh. Pero I draw my satisfaction from earning real money sa laro. Kasi dati, when I was during my younger years, naglalaro ako, puro labas lang yung pera, di ba? Magbabayad ka sa computer shop, bibili ka ng pansit canton, C2 or Coke, ganon. Minsan, magpapalibre pa sa'yo yung kaibigan mo, ganon. Ngayon, you're playing at the comfort of your home and you're earning. 'Di ba? Don't tell me na hindi substantial yung 1,197 in 1 month just by farming the Vestige of Fall, 'di ba? Ito lang, ito oh. Yan. O sabihin natin, update natin, kunwari i-relate natin siya sa price natin right now. Hindi siya temporal Vestige. Yeah, tier 3. Tier 3. Yan. So the cheapest we can find is 87, diba? 87 times 15. That's 1,300 minus yung alam ko is 12.5% yung tax. Still 1,100 pa rin siya. If sabihin natin 1,000, 'di ba? Yung 1,000 ko na may earn just by playing this game, of course, may electricity factor in mo yan, pero may ginagawa din naman akong iba, 'di ba? 1,000 pesos, i-divide mo yan ng 63. 1,000 pesos, divide mo yan ng 63. That's 15 kilograms of rice, di ba? If you put it that way, may naiambag ka sa pamilya mo, di ba? So, if you're gonna look at it that way, hindi siya endgame. And also, you can play other games by simply putting it on power saving mode. Power saving mode mo siya, and then laro ka ng Dota or kahit anong ibang laro na play to earn games. Meron ngayon bago, Seal M, di ba? So, yun lang yung stand ko with regard to the end game or late game, whatever na concept. Malayo pa tayo and we're still enjoying this game. Dati nga, yung laro ko, the game before this, I played Mir 4. Sa Mir 4, puro labas ng pera, di ba? Biruin mo, magfa-farm ka ng 30 million dark steel. Kung ang yung makaka-relate dito yung naglaro talaga ng Mir 4. It's really hard, 'di ba? Tapos demanding siya, dapat nandun ka midnight sa clan challenge, ganon, tapos sa mga boss fight, tapos magde-defend ka ng valley. Yung larong to, titignan mo na lang yung character mo kapag nasa clan siya kasi dun lang naman tayo pinapatay, 'di ba? Pag nasa own map tayo, hindi naman tayo pinapatayin. Even if merong pumapatay sa atin, ang luwag-luwag ng mapa, oh. Di ba? So, there's always an opportunity for us to farm. So, yun lang. I hope may value or substance yung sinabi ko, and this serves as an update para sa account natin or sa progress natin in terms of progress sa character and progress sa income. So, the goal is patabain ulit yung ilan nga yung computation natin? Basta 170 something yun. So, from 154, from 140 siya. Ngayon, tentative after the clearing period ng sales, magiging 170 yan. And then, after 15 days, magiging 200 yan. Why? Because every 2 days, I am selling this. And this is more than 1 USDT. Magbibenta ako nito hanggat may presyo pa siya. Siyempre, if time will come na yung isa niyan ay point something na lang, just like kung paano bumagsak yung presyo ng temporal pieces, tignan mo. Mag-stop na ako. And I'll try to consume it na by buying skills and etc. Diba? Yan, tignan mo, yung 1,009 pesos. Diba? So, yun lang. This serves as an update, a shout out to Mist Haven, and a response to one of the or the comments sa video ko. And yun lang, sinagot ko lang yung perspective ko that I think that this game is not yet ending. Kasi nag-earn tayo di ba? Yan. Alright? Good morning and keep grinding.